Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So it looks like AMC had a major breakout today, and we could see a possible continuation. Again, we did break over that $40 mark that we have been mentioning, and we're looking to see if we can continue. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we need to hold above and break above to have a continuation, and possible major breakout and possible squeeze play, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And I'll ask in return as you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over AMC with you guys here on the 5-minute chart, and then we're back up to the 4-hour so you guys can see exactly which key resistances we are trying to hold. As you guys can see, we have been bouncing off the 20-day moving average, and towards the end of the day, we are consolidating here on the 20-day moving average, looking to see if we can continue. Now, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts of the day. We also do mention AMC and GME. We mentioned both of them before they broke out. We mentioned AMC before they broke $40, as you guys can see here. We also mentioned SPRT as a possible continuation from yesterday. We broke into that $11 mark, which we did alert here, and we also broke all the way up to around $14.40 on the day. And we also did mention TKAT before SPRT this morning at $6.22, jumping up all the way to around $9, as you guys can see here, testing that $9 mark, looking to see if we can continue. We had a major breakout throughout the day on multiple stocks. If you guys do want to see all of these penny stock breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert today again. As you guys can see here on AMC, again, we did have that nice breakout throughout the day, jumping all the way from around $40 all the way up to around $48 on that major breakout that we were mentioning for the last few days. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, we are still consolidating here on the 20-day moving average. Again, the 20-day moving average here is the yellow line and the 50-day moving average is the red. We're looking to see if we can continue on with the 20-day moving average above the 50 here on the 5-minute chart going into tomorrow to have a continuation. But however, which levels are we trying to break above to have a major breakout? And as you guys can see here on AMC, we did mention yesterday that that $40 mark was very key for us. Again, we did mention that because again, here on the VPVR, as you guys can see here, it actually showed us that exact point, and that's exactly what we were following. And sure enough, we broke above it and we had a large reaction to the upside. And that's exactly why we do look at specific resistances and very key points to make sure we do break above with that confirmation. As you guys can see, we got that volume confirmation and that increase in volume, giving us that confirmation on that move. But however, we need to make sure we do continue on with volume and continue on up. And again, our next very key level that we are trying to break above here is at $58. So if we break over $58 and we do hold above it, again, breaking over this $58 mark, possibly break into that $60 mark with that confirmation here on the buy pressure. As you guys can see here on the MACD, we did set our alert right above this buy pressure point to have that confirmation on possibly that major move above that $58 mark. So again, AMC still definitely on the watch, as again, we did get that increase in buy pressure, and also we did mention the EMA lines that we're looking to see if they can cross above the MACD, and sure enough, we are at this point in time. So it does show us that we may have a continuation, and if we can get an increase on this buy pressure going into tomorrow, and we do break above our previous buy pressure point, then we could be looking at a possible major breakout and possibly major squeeze play. Again, if we do break above our previous buy pressure point at this point right here, in my opinion, then we could have that major squeeze play. In my opinion, if we do have a squeeze, then we'll clearly break over this buy pressure point, in my opinion. Again, AMC definitely on the watch for that continuation. And again, you guys can see it is as clear as daylight here on the MACD on the 4-hour. If we do break above it, then we will have that confirmation on that move. But if we do not, then we'll simply get rejected here on AMC. But again, AMC definitely on the run, definitely breaking over a very key resistance today. And again, this is a very big move for AMC, and we are trying to hold above this $40 mark going to tomorrow. And if we can hold over $40, then we are still looking like we can possibly recover here on AMC. If we do drop below that $40 mark, again, we do have the 20-day moving average still below the 50, looking to see if we can cross up. If we can cross up here and we can have that MACD break above our previous buy pressure point, then in my opinion, we could have a major breakout and continuation here on AMC. So that's exactly what I will be looking out for on the 4-hour here. So again, AMC definitely on the watch. So again, with that said, if you guys want to see all of my breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a breakout throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, every one of you Instables that are in the Instables room, I appreciate every one of you guys, and everybody that has been supporting me, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.